We already learned about the style attribute in metadata before, so let's take a look on how to really use it. So first step, we're going to open our brain chart multi-effect synonym, and we're going to work with that one. Very important to get to the style information, enable the table column view, and on that list, the table column view, on the topmost element, you can insert style attributes. If you do so, it's going to add a section called styles, and it's going to start with my first style, usually called style 1. If we go to properties, it's always a good idea to use something more meaningful than style 1. So if you want to change revenue, you might want to call it revenue style. And there we can add our styling expression. Simple styling expression here would be type data and a color for that element. I'm going to get you some more details on different type of style syntax you could use in here. That one is just a simple style syntax coloring the font color of that element. Apply my styling, and now it's saved within my synonym. As it's called revenue styling with a little typo, we might want to add it to my element. So select the properties. Many of the elements are grayed out, as we learned. That's because they only can be changed in the underlying referenced synonym, but style can be changed in here as well. Of course, you could add it to the underlying synonym, which might be a good idea in case you want to reuse it. But we add it in here, and we're going to apply it, and we're going to save this new attribute. Why did we change it? What's the purpose? So if you look at revenue, we can now go back to my homepage, and we can now decide we want to visualize data. We can use Designer or Infosys for that topic. Remember, we changed one specific style attribute. So if we want to go to my retail folder, let's go my retail sample folder. Let's go to my brain chart, select that one. Remember, we changed the date attribute, which is formatting that is relevant for tabular reporting. So I want to go to a table. I'm going to build a report as a table. And within my data, we can add my quantity sold to my report. We can add something from the dimensions. So let's look at the dimensions. We're going to go for product, brand, model, price dollar. We're going to go for price category. And now we're going to add revenue to the report. And as you see, revenue is automatically in red. That's the purpose of that style attribute based in the master file. So that's going to allow us to link design and styling information to a element in the synonym. Of course, you can use the same logic for formatting of charts. It's always related to that field, and whenever revenue is used, it's going to pick up that style information.